Hey guys, subscribe to support and click on bell icon to get all my latest notifications.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your Abhilash back, and thank you so much for everyone where you guys have helped me in reaching 22,000 plus subscribers. Thank you so much, and big thumbs up from my end for everyone. Because of you, I have reached like 22,000 of subscribers. Thank you so much, and thank you very much. And today I'm gonna make an unboxing of Eureka Forbes vacuum cleaner. So. Here comes the vacuum cleaner, which I bought it from Amazon. I'm gonna share the link at the bottom if you'd like to buy, and I'm gonna tell you the price and everything. So the package, it's a very big one. So it's time to clear the cover. And guys, one more thing, and if you're watching for the first time, please do not forget to subscribe and click on that bell icon so you can get all my latest notifications. So I'm planning to buy a Bullet, and I'm in between Bullet and Yamaha FZ25. Please do suggest me which one to buy so I can start a new traveling channel. So I do travel more, but I don't have a particular channel. I have not recorded it. So I think you have seen in my channel I have traveled using my car and bike also. So I'm trying to make a dedicated channel for you guys so you can watch. And please do subscribe, please do support me, please do give your comments on the comment section and help me in uploading more and more videos guys. So, and here comes the Eureka Forbes vacuum cleaner, and there's nothing inside this. Let me just check. Yeah, I got the invoice. Oh, so it costed me 3,318 rupees. Can see this. I hope you can see this. So let me just throw this apart and come to the unboxing section. It says Eureka Forbes Quick Clean DX. This is a 2100 power, 1200 watts motor, and you can use it for your car and home. It's a very good vacuum cleaner, and I have just checked the review and opened it. You can see it's a sealed one. Usually from Amazon we do get sealed open boxed. Few times when customers order and then they return, they will send it back. So it's confirmed it's a sealed one. I'm just opening this seal and let's check. So I'm from Bangaru guys, and if you are watching from Bangalore, so you can just check on my other video. I have a dedicated video in Kannada, and I do make video in Hindi, English, Kannada, all the languages. So it says we'll be getting 3 dust bags, 1, 2, and here comes 3. So these are the 3 dust bags. I'm gonna keep it apart, and here comes the hose pipe or vacuum pipe. So you can see its quality seems good. Hello, hello. Can you hear my voice? Hello, hello. So let me just keep this here. And here comes the user manual from Eureka Forbes. And there are much more kits available, the cleaning kits. And there are 2 extension cords. And this is the main cleaning kit which I have. Okay. So that means I'm gonna touch this. I'll test. Here comes the main item, which is the motor itself. So let me just take it apart. Okay. So here are some cups. I don't know how to use it. And yeah. So guys, this is how it looks. It looks like a mini Swift car. You can see this. And I think I'll have to remove this maybe. Yes, I have removed it. So now this is how it's gonna work. And so you can see here, this is the hose pipe. So we're gonna lift this up and open this cap. Oh, there is already 1 extra filter over here. So total I have got 4 filters. Okay, and it has got a limit switch here. So if your air like this bag is filled, you will get an indicator in this particular light And to remove this, it's very simple. You have to just pull this up and take it out. This is how you can remove it, and you have to just insert it the same way over here. So I bought this for my mom. So she finds very difficulty cleaning it. So I've just closed, and it's time to check. Here comes the power cord. So this is the first warning indicator, and this is the second warning indicator. So the power cord is of almost 1, 2, 3. Okay, 2.5 to 3 meters. So here is the power cord winding switch. This is how we're gonna wind it. Okay, and I'm gonna plug it. Here is the on and off switch. So let's check this. Put this to the test, and I'm gonna just check now. So I think you have to connect this over here, the whole switch. Okay, so it's done, and here we have a switch, and let me just connect small thing over here. Okay, so there is a brush and there is another one, and I don't think it has a blower. No, it doesn't have a blower. Okay, the product is made up of few of the parts of the product is made up of cheap quality plastic. I don't know why Eureka Forbes use a cheap quality plastic. Okay, it's time to on. I don't have anything to show you a demo, so let me just take this paper. I'm going to make small pieces. So I just added this paper. Just imagine this is the dust, and let me just turn the power and let's check. I'm going to show you the airbag full indicator. You can just see over here. So just imagine I'm going to close this nib. So it means the airbag is filled. So you can see here. So that is the indicator of the airbag, and this was a quick unboxing and the normal small demo of this particular vacuum cleaner, and I hope you guys enjoyed this, and please do subscribe my channel if you're watching for the first time, and please give me a thumbs up and help me in growing up, and thank you so much guys for watching, and love you all, and thank you so much for watching. Thumbs up.